Hey guys, back in the shop here today. I'm going to change the fuel filter on the Corvette, and I'll show you how you get that done. So this is the filter I got. It's supposed to fit an 84 Corvette. There's the part number. Okay, so we're just taking loosen these clamps off. Go. Inside. This, my friends, is why they invented the quick jack. Yeah, so that's a 10 millimeter. Not surprising, I guess. It holds that on. Okay, so there's a new one. You want to have the arrow pointing to the engine there, so let's get that on and get this nonsense over with. It's a wee bit longer, but not much, so should be okay. I definitely won't be checking this for leaks until tomorrow, once everything's all cleaned up and dried. But there it is. That's almost a whole coffee can full of fuel, plus what's on the ground here, so that's pretty dangerous. So be more careful than I was. But anyway, there it is. It's done, and we'll catch you later.